Well, good morning. It's Wednesday. We're on the side of I-24, and we got ourselves a little bit of a load shift. What do you say?
How you doing?
Doing good, man.
Mike, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. You see what kind of mess I got going on?
Yeah. What is this thing?
It's some kind of pipe.
Something for what?
Some type of pipe. I got some and
What's it weigh?
4,000 pounds.
Oh, that ain't bad.
Yeah, it's 4,000 pounds. I think it got
This is only 4,000 pounds.
This is. They were saying that it was standing straight up.
Yeah.
And those right there
Punched through and fell over. Yeah.
The road was down there. I hit them bumps. I was trying to stay on that side. I had to get over on this side because they were acting a fool back and pushing me down the road. I hit a bump. I heard it go boom. I looked. Oh, damn. That's when I saw that right there. I figured those things, that sharp points.
Yeah.
Cut it.
How do you want it back on the trailer?
Sideways like this.
You want it laying down?
Put it to the seat. The guy was telling me that put it to the side and try to strap it down and get it to where it got to go.
Yeah, you're just going to Paducah, so. You're just going to Paducah, right?
It's only, I'm probably like I don't know how you'll do it, but as long as it's on the side like this, or you got to turn it to that side.
Shouldn't be a big deal at all. Shouldn't be a big deal.
It's a big, okay, no. How did you do this kind of stuff?
It's pretty much, it's kind of all I do anymore. Yeah. With this, I mean.
You got idiots like me come down the road turning stuff over this.
Yeah, I like doing stuff like this. What I hate is like a load shift that hasn't fallen off the trailer yet or is very close to. Like this is no big deal because it's one big piece. What I hate is like when they have like pallet racks stacked up or something.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, or pipes or something that are like, yeah.
Well, I ain't trying to work.
Nah, this is no big deal. Should be long enough. Got my snatch plugs on, so we use the bigger ones. The only reason I'm lifting it this way versus using those points at the top is because he wants it to still be laid down on the trailer. Do you have any lumber with you? I just need 2 pieces to lay this way on the trailer so I can set it on those and when I get my strap back out. No, just long enough to sit on this. Like just long enough to hold this up so I can get my strap back out. Yeah, like I said, what we'll do is we'll just set them under this part when I set it down on the trailer, and that'll keep it up and they can get under it, or they can just lift it by these. Yeah, if you got 2 pieces, that'd be great. Yeah, that's good, yeah. Definitely very top heavy. Probably going to swing a little bit when it finally comes up. There it goes.
pick up?
A lot.
Really?
Yeah. Back to that side so I can watch and make sure I don't scratch the heck out of his headache rack. You all right with it laying on your tarp?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, ain't got no choice, really. Go and lay on his side. Right there.
Yeah, I bet.
The thing is, I was already in his lane, so when it happened, all I did was pull this side.
It's about where it's going to lay. You good with that?
Yep.
Okay.
That's good, man.
You good? Cool.
Just need to go in the center. That's all. Land on the side. We'll be all right.
Yeah.
Like I said,
I'd throw you a couple straps around the beam pulling this way, a couple straps pulling that way, and call her a day. This road only gets worse till you get to 45. So I'd get out and get in the left lane, and then once you top the hill at 45, it turns to asphalt. Right lane smooth all the way to Paducah.
okay, good.
Yeah, it's only about another 2 miles of crap.
It's a bunch of, I tell you,
Yeah,
on this side, over here, I tried to stay in the right lane.
yeah. Oh, it gets worse. You get to the bottom of this hill and well, over the next hill, all the way down and all the way up before exit 45, the right lane's miserable.
Guess what? I'll be driving slow.
Yeah.
If
Like I said, just get in the left lane and run it. Once you get to 45, you can get back over it. It's smooth. Yeah.
much smooth on that. That's I was trying to stay over there.
Yeah.
Trying to stay over there, but I ain't want to hold nobody up.
They'll get over it.
Get over it. All the hell from
They're not paying the bill for the load shift. They'll get over it.
I know this, right? They want me to take pictures of it, and that's why I'm taking pictures.
Yeah, no worries.
What's happening there? This is on needles right now. You know, a lifesaver right now, because they ain't want no, you know, they're sending in nothing.
Yeah. Oh, couldn't do that twice if I tried. It's not sitting on that front board, so you can put that board up.
Walk in.
Oh, I need to reorganize all this. Well, I'm gonna get the main event put away. He's good to go. And we'll get the heck out of here. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.